Hi, everybody. I was actually just doing some shopping around for homeowners insurance myself and wanted to send out a quick reminder that it is important to be shopping around for homeowners insurance. I would say at least every 2 to 3 years. I have a lot of past clients who were first-time home buyers and just felt like it's important to remind you that, it could save you some money by shopping around. Even if you've been a homeowner, make sure that you're taking some time to do that every so often. At the same time, while I say shop around, you should be making sure that you're making necessary repairs to your home. You want to make sure that you don't have any safety hazards. Homeowners insurance, the companies want to make sure that you are not high risk with your home. So just if you are shopping around, make sure that any major repairs are completed. But if you own a home, especially if you bought one from me, I think that we probably discussed how important it is to maintain your home. So yeah, just wanted to send out this quick reminder, and I hope that everyone has a wonderful day.